Okay, so try to complete what are the things we discussed in the morning. First of all, install operating system. Second one is the practicals what we are discussed. Okay, if you have any infrastructure related problem, already I told how to practice the Linux related one. Okay, so that's the thing. So we start copy. Okay, so cp command for a copy purpose. Cp is the command for copy purpose. Copy a file. Question is copy a file to other file. So what is this? Guys, be careful. Lot of people do mistakes in this one. Normally, copy means you copy a file. You copy a file from one location to another location, right? So this is generally we do it. That's I will tell definitely. But people do mistakes in a copying a file. It means you are creating a duplicate file. Duplicate file. Okay, so first of all, we'll see that one. ls. We have a file. 1 is deleted, 4 is deleted, 2 and 3 is there. Okay, so I'll put a cat file 2. This is my file. Okay, I put a cp file 2 file 1 2. Okay, so file 2. Okay, file 2 1. I changed it. Okay, cp file 2 file 2 1. What happened? File 21 will be created and with the same content of file 1. Same content of file 1. So check it. Cat file 21 will be created. Okay, look at the ls. Okay, file 21 is created. And check what is the there inside. File 21 is like, see, same data as a file 1. Same data as a file 2. So same data. Okay, it is file to file copy are creating duplicate files. Creating duplicate files. So what I done, cp file to file to 1. So you can use any name, like you first check the file and then copy it. Okay, so what happened here when I given a command copy file 2 to file 21, it is instead of, okay, so what are it like copying into different location. In my location itself, it created another file called file 21. Okay, so this is one thing, like creating a duplicate files file, a copy a file content to another file also you can say it. Okay, so that is one. So but important one is not that one. So important one is copy a file from one location to another location. Guys, it is here, it is showing. I'm going back once. See, it is, I have a data 1 directory and I have a data 2 directory. So first of all, I have to verify may I have that one or not. Yes, I have a data 1 directory, I have a data 2 directory, and I have a file in this location. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, okay, what I'm going to do is, look at here. Again, I will design same thing. I'm under /root. Actually, better is student only. Okay, I have a file 2, file 3, okay, and also file 121 is also there. These are the files, and also directories data 1, data 2, data 3 also there, right? Okay, under this data I have a DA1, I have a DA2, I have a DA3. Okay, so these are the directory structure. Now, first task, guys, I want to copy file to DA1. DA1, I want to copy to DA1. Okay, so copying from here to here, DA1. Okay, I'm in the under /root only, so no need to change the path. Guys, understand what I have to do? So file 2, I want to copy to data 1. So not DA1. So file 2, I want to copy to data 1. CP file 2, CP file 2, data 1. And always put a slash after that one. Always put a slash after that one, because the slash represent data 1 is a directory. Data 1 is a directory. Okay. So if you don't put a slash, what will happen? Nothing. No problem. No problem. Okay. Yes. Why it is no problem, and why I said put it. Look at like this, guys. This is data 11. This data 11 is not in my current directory. Data 11 directory is not there. I think it is there. I think it is there. So CP file to data 11. If directory is not existing, it should throw error. It's throwing any error? Nothing. What happened? Data 11 file is created. Data 11 file is created just like earlier. Okay, like a file to like by name, system not understanding anything, just it understand with just a name only. This it understand the title, that's it. Based on the name, system don't understand anything. Okay, you said file, system don't know it is file or directory. You put a data 1, system don't know it is data or file, directory or file. Okay, so I want to copy file to data 11 directory. So I given like this. So what happened? Instead of copying to a directory, it is creating a file because it's not existing. Instead of throwing an error, it's copy a file into another file. Okay, you want to check it? So cat. See, it is become a file. So next one, guys, CP file to, for example, data 12 slash. Now I am putting a slash. So what will happen? Data 12 is also not there. Data 12 directory is also not there. And I put a slash. What it is saying? Directory is not there. Not a directory. So by accidentally also you don't do mistakes, because you're not check the properly, or maybe if there is a spelling mistake. So obviously system think you want to copy a file into another copy, like a duplicate copy, and it create a file. So compulsory give the slash. The slash reference, it is a directory. Slash represent, it is a directory. So guys, understand why we should use a slash and why is not required a slash also. So I want to copy a file.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
If we copy the file, will the like the destination file will be data will be deleted and replaced?
No, copy means copy paste, means both the copies are alive. Both the copies
Hello,
are.
sir. Let's say you're like copying from file 2 to file 2.1.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Let's say already file 2.1 has another data regarding that. If you copy file number 2 data to file 2.1, will the file 2.1
For
data will be?
example, I have a file 1. I have some file 1.1. It contains some data. It is
F11
also
also
contains
contains.
some other data, different data. So when you put a CP file 1, file 2, what will happen? right?
Yes, sir. Will
So
that
what
data
is
get
going to replace or is going to append like that. So we'll see what is the kind of error it will be there. I'm not forcing anything like a force recursive kind of stuff, not using. So first of all, cat file2. File3 is better, I think. Yeah, 2 lines only, na? Cat file2. I'm also creating new file. So the file cat31. Okay, so this is file31. Hello. No. This is cat31. Okay, that's it. Control D. Okay, I put a 2 lines in a file31. There's 2 files in a file3. CP file3 file31. So what will happen? In generally, if file31 is not existing, it create a new file and it put the data. File3 data is in file31. But file3 is now it's already existing. What will happen? It is asking, do you want to overwrite? You want to overwrite. If you click no, it means no problem. It means no problem. If you click yes, it will override the content. So you want to see yes or no?
I want to see yes, sir.
Okay. So what if you put a yes? Do you want to overwrite? Yes. Then put a cat file31. What happening? The data in the file3 is in the data in the file31. It is replaced the data in new file. Okay, it's if the content of the file31 is replaced by the data in the file3. So that's it is asking, do you want to overwrite? No means no, it won't do it's anything. It will be cancelled. Okay, so this is overwrite option. Very good, good question. Yeah, finally ls space like this, ls data1 da1 is there. So cp file2 data1 slash. Even though data1 is available, I don't put a slash. It will copy. See, not throwing any error. I didn't put a slash. ls data1 file is copied. I didn't put any slash. But what happens? System is checking is a data1 in my current directory. Data1 is there. It is there. That is a file directory. It is a directory and copy into the directory. So system understand that one directly. But some better performing like a CP file3 data2 slash. So then the slash is always better option. Already I showed like if in case if you don't create, if you do directory is not existing, immediately it will throw an error. Okay, so that's why we should require the slash notation here. Okay, so this is how to copy a file from your system to a directory. I didn't put a titles. What is this? What is this? Okay, so compulsory understand and do it. That is very important. This is if in case you forget a step, it is useful for you. That's it only. Okay. This is a copying file, and this is also copying file. Okay, so this is a very simple copying a file. Okay, so copy file. What is this? Copy file to to data1 directory. This is also same. Copy file3 to data2 directory. Okay, this is how you should check it before you do it, how to copy it. Okay, guys, bunch of the files also you can able to copy, and some people will get a doubt, that is, can we copy a directory? So in the copying it, I didn't go to the star marking and all kind of stuff. So what I will do, just I will tell how to copy a directory. So ls data1 contains some file, ls data3, only data3 directory is there, da3 directory is there. So if you want to copy a data1 whole directory, it means this entire directory, I want to copy into data3. In data3 I want to copy. So how to copy that one? cp data1 data3. Like you want to put it, it will throw an error, because not only a directory, and directory contains other directories and files. Directory contain other directory and files. Look at here. Omitting directory data1. So what is this meaning is, you can't copy, because of directory contains data and other directories. You can't copy a directory to another directory. But same thing, you can able to copy it. Put a -r. Already I told guys, -r represent recursive. Recursive means data and inside a data, inside. It will go like the tree type. Recursive means tree type. Tree means root one and parent, child, their child, like it is. So total tree is called a recursive. Okay, so like this you can able to copy. So we'll try once. It is not throwing a error like a omitting directory, but also you have to verify whether it is data is copied or not. See, data1 directory, entire directory is copied. Entire directory is copied. Okay. Normally the commands are look like commands. When you practice, it won't take much time, maximum 15-20 minutes, like that. Okay, maybe one off day you can complete that Linux commands, but explanations, understanding usually take time. So this is, I'm trying to copy entire data1 dir to data3 directory. Okay, so it is throwing an error. This is copying entire data1 dir to data2 data3 dir. Okay, so it is actually we can able to copy. Use the recursive. Okay, guys, understand what I done?
Can you repeat that again, sir?
Last step.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is, I have a data1 directory and it contains some data, of course. This is data2 directory. I want to copy a data1 directory to data3 directory. Look at here. For example, I have this directory and I have some other directory. Okay, some directory is there. It is why this directory does not contain anything. Okay, so I need a small directory, not a very big directory. That's 10. Yeah, small directory. I want to copy this directory. See, just I'm copying it and pasting into the batch time. See. Okay, I copied the data. See. So this is along with other data. I copied a directory. I copied this directory into this another directory. Same concept. Okay, same thing. Data 1 is there. I have data 3. I want to copy data 1 to data 3. What it is showing? Omitting directory. It means you cannot copy a directory to another directory. So what I'm using? Recursive. Now I can able to copy. So data 3 having data 1. So if you want, so you can see data 1 is there. So 1 second.
Can you do it with like a hyphen F, sir, or like forcibly?
Actually, it is not forcing anything. Okay. Recursive is compulsory. If you want to put a F also, you can put it. Like a cp-r f data 1, data 3, like that. Also, you can able to do it. For
Okay.
example, you want to copy data 2 enter directly to data 3. So here I am trying to show you like the data 1 in the data 3 information. Okay, see it is. Okay, so I am using -f also, no problem. So try. It is not throwing any error. ls space data 3. You look at data 1 is already there, and now data 2 directory is also there. You want to see what is there inside a data 2. This is file 3. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So this is our directory copy. This is our directory copy. So -f we can use it only if required. The force is required, like some it is not, it is stopping you to copy some issue is there, then you can use f. Okay, so this is how to copy a directory to another directory. The whole content of the directory also we can copy, but the exercise is like this. Now the new exercise is like this. Thing is, I want to copy this file to data 2, specifically data 2. I want to copy file 2 to data 2. Okay. So first of all, what I have to copy? So look at ls file 2 is in my current location. That is what I want to copy, right? cp file 2, because it's my in a current directory. Next, I want to copy into data 2. Data 2 is in data 2, and da2 I want to copy into da2, not data 2, da2. Okay, I want to copy into da2. Earlier we copied into like this data 2, now da2. First is data 2 slash da2 slash. Okay, I'm copying a file to a particular location, so specify the location. ls data 2 slash da2, then you know it is created or not. Okay, just relax, I will show you that files. Okay, so these are the files we created. So data 2 contains file 3 and DA2. DA2 contains file 2. Okay, like you can verify in a GUI mode also possible. You can try it, so that is completely your wish. Actually, not required, guys. You can do directly also. Still, some people want to verify much better way. So then means for getting understanding, so they will verify. For understanding, you can verify it. Okay. So this is you can copy from one place to different path. Next one also I will tell. The next one is I want to copy in a data to in DA2 no. In data 1. So look at here. In the data 1, I have a file 2. Okay. I have a file 2. In data 1, directly I have a file 2. Okay. Now I want to copy this file to this DA3 in the data 3. Okay. So from where data 1 contains file 2 and I want to copy this file to DA3. Okay. CP, where is my file? In data 1. Which file it is? File 2. Where I want to copy? Data 3. Actually, DA3 in the data 3 like this. Copy. And verify it is copied or not. Go to data 3 / DA3. File is available. Guys, this is the path. So when you are doing a path, compulsory in a starting, till the mind should be get connected. So till the time you have to do drawing kind of stuff, not only a writing kind of stuff. Also do the drawing kind of stuff also. Guys, understand this copy part?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. So there is a lot of ways to do copy kind of stuff is there. Path kind of stuff is also available.
So, can we copy multiple files at a time?
If you want to copy a multiple files at a time, yes, you can able to copy a multiple files thing. Okay. So how to copy a multiple files? If in case if there is a pattern, it is quite easy. For example, very good. If you see ls file 2, file 3, file 21, file 31. So what is the most common in between these things? File is the most common. 2, 3, 21, 31 is just the difference between these files. Okay. So find out the most common and you can also create a some pattern in it. And this is not equivalent to any other things. You can able to do it. Look at here. See, first of all, I want to show you that one. ls file star, for example. What it is showing? File 2, 21, 3, 31. Or ls file question mark. What it is showing? Okay. File double question mark. What it is showing?
Yeah.
Okay. But 21 is not available. It is there, na? Maybe it is not understanding what is 21. Double digits. Can understand easily. Why? Now it is understand. Okay, so this is called a wild characters. Wild characters. Wild characters means how to tell a bunch of the things in a single place. Okay, all. Okay, all pattern means the star represent. Look at it in this one here. LS, I didn't specify anything. It is displaying all the data in the current directory. Now it is displaying the data only which start with a file and end with anything. End with anything. And here it is a single question mark. If you look at this is the file 2, file 3, 21, 31. But if you see only 2, 3 means a question mark represent a character, single character. Double question mark means single plus single means two characters after file, two characters after file. And also it is not showing single characters also. This is not working, not because 2, 1 is not working. 2, 3 working, but 21 is not working. Here it is working. This is also a patterns. So this is, we can say, a wildcard. Guys, remember, star represent all or any combination, any combinations. The question mark represent a single character, single character. Okay. So this is a selective. This is a range. Range or select. This is also a selective. So these are the main patterns or a wildcard kind of stuff. So this is a whole we call the concept we call it as a wild characters. Wild characters or wild parts, wild characters. Okay, so what is the use of this one? First, we'll discuss that one, but understand this up to here. And the question is, what if I want to copy data? What if I want to copy it more than 2 files in a single location? So like that. So CP file 3, or maybe I'll put a like this 3, 31 into data 1 directory. So look at here, ls data 1 directory. Because of pattern matches, we can easily copy. Because of pattern matches, easily copy. File is there. Unmatched pattern is there, then it is problem. That is also we should know how to do it. Just understand this.
Yes,
3
sir.
and 31. Okay, so what if you don't have that pattern? For example, touch touch ABC XYZ. 2 files are there. I created 2 files. ABC XYZ. So this is ABC. This is XYZ. No matches, no letter matching, nothing is there. So generally people will get that question. So we'll try ABC, comma XYZ to data 1, ls data 1. Copied or not? So this is wildcards. This is a wildcards. Of course, you can use a square brackets also. Find out the difference between square bracket and curly brackets also. And next, guys, already I told Linux means few are very, very important. If you don't know that one or without learning that one, you didn't learn anything. How many commands you know? Like you just know how to type the commands only. So one is I told paths. One is you must know the paths. Second one is this wild characters only. Okay. Second one is wild characters. Without understanding wild characters, you learn nothing in the Linux. Okay. That is a small part about your copy. I want to do move also. Now only I will tell move. Okay, lot of exercises also there. Copy exercises kind of stuff. Move. MV is a command for move and rename. You know, recently in our last interview also seen a question. What is the command for renaming? What is the command for renaming in Linux? MV only. Okay. How to create a duplicate file? How to create a duplicate file? Just duplicate means another copy of the file. Copy. Okay. Like that. So duplicate means there is two meaning will come up, but just you can understand. Copy also we can use to create another file. Move. For moving like this. Move means what it is. Move means cut paste. Okay. Copy means copy paste. Move means cut paste, because we know like how to cut from here and paste. So meaning is in a source location you don't have a data, in destination you have a data. Move, for example, your file 1 to data 1. You are moving a file, you are moving file to data 1 directory. So this is the thing. Okay. For example, MV file 11 file 1 file 11. You are renaming file 1 to file 11. You are renaming file 11 to file 1. Okay. So I think you got the point. Okay. So we'll do it. The later I will show you how to move the directories. Also, it is very simple, not a big deal. Yeah, we can move. That is also you can write MV data 1 data 2 means slash. If you put a slash, you will understand it's a directory or a file. Okay. So you're moving data 1 to data 2. Okay. The first one is okay, renaming. I have a data 11. I have a data 11 is a file. Okay, it is a file. So usually I like to put a name for a directory is always like a data 11, data 1, data 2, data 3. So I will get confused. Data 11 means directory or a file. So I put a name is file 11. I want to change the name of data 11. Name is file 11. First of all, type data 11. Type command not found. Sorry, file data 11 and see text. File data 1 directory. Guys, understand the command here? What I done? What it is? File command used to find what is the file type. File command used to find file or a directory type. Find file or directory type. Type means, is it a file or is it a directory? Is it a file or it is a directory? Find, not to find anything. So it is a find. Is it directory or a file? Is it a file or a directory? File is the command. Okay. So here it is. Data11 is a file. ASCII text file. MV data11 file11 ls. So can you see data11 is there? File11 is here. Okay. So this is the thing. Where something is not added. This is not found. The type command is not there. I think it is. Yeah, sometimes I will confuse between three things when I do Linux or Windows. Windows, Linux, Python. Okay. File name is finally changed. Okay. This is also not required. So rename data11 file to file11. Okay. So this is the renaming one. Okay. Next, moving. We need a moving, right? So guys, understand renaming? Renaming.
Yes, sir.
Very good. ls. I have a data3, very good one. So data1, data2. What I want to do is mkdir. Yeah, files are moved or not. File 2, file 3, ls data2. Okay, so file 3 is in a data2. Now mv file 2 data2 slash. If you don't put a slash, that's you don't know whether it is directory or not, like that, right? So compulsory better put a slash. File 2 is moving to data2. And what is move? Cut paste, right? So where is file 2 here? Not there. It is there here. It is not there here. Why? Because it is cut and paste into this one. So then you have to check it. Data2. Here it is a file 2. Okay. This is copy a file from copy a file to a directory. So I'm copying a file to data2 directory. I'm copying this file to data2 directory. This is the main command. This is the main command. Different locations, again, same thing. The same question will come up. So what about the different question, different kind of stuff like will come up. But what I'm doing is how to copy a directory, how to move a directory from one location to another location. Okay, so for that one, already these are no. So ls, yeah, ls data 3, data 2 is contain da2 and file 3, right? So only that one. Okay, ls data 1, it contains some files. Okay, move data 1 directory, you can use slash also, no problem. Data 2 directory, move data 1 directory to data 2 directory. I'm not using any recursive here, so we'll see. Yeah, it is not throwing any error also. Moving is cut paste is no problem. Directories directly can able to move. Okay, but verify ls, where is the data 1? Gone. In data 2, data 1 is came. In data 2, data 1 is there. Okay, want to check, is it really came? Yes. See, these are along with the data. So this is your moving data 1 directory to data 2 directory, moving data 1 directory to data 2 directory. Guys, the nodes is look like a very big. Commands are only single command only. Already I told guys again and again, every time I'm telling only one important thing is you must know the paths. Next one is verify. Once you before you do, verify after you done. Otherwise, you never understand the Linux. Okay, this is moving. Okay, if you want to move the multiple files, anyway, we don't have a data 1 directory. Okay, so I want to move the multiple files. That question is also there now. So I want to move file 3. Okay, so ls data 2. Yeah, okay, look at here, in this one, file 11, file 21, two files are there, file 11, file 21. I want to move to data 2 directory. Okay, file 11, file 21, I want to move to data 1 directory. So mb multiple files, right? So file 11, file 21. So there is a pattern is also available. You can follow the pattern or you can put it. So guys, look at here, ls file question mark 1. What will happen? File 11, file 21, file 31. 3 files are coming. If you want to put like this, 3 files will going to copy, sir, move. Okay, or you can use no, it is okay. Why it is not agreeing with these things? Okay, so like this also you can able to move it. Which one you want it? File 11, file 21, file 31, or file 11 or file 21? Or all files with the file name in the starting. Okay, also you can able to do it. So what I'm going to do is move file question mark 1, because only that character only difference is there. Okay, otherwise you can put a double questions. You can decide what to do. Okay, both are same. So first verify before you do, and okay, so I want to copy into directory data2, ls data2. See, I can get it. This is how to copy a multiple, sorry, how to move a multiple files. The wildcard characters, it is very easy to use, and very important is compulsory learn how to use. It's very important. Okay. This is about your move. Copy, move. Copy, move. Move file 11, file 121, file 31 to data to directory. Okay. Rename and file. Okay. So copy. Guys, remember CP for copy, MV for move, and CP space -R. We use it for copy directory to another directory. MV is also used for renaming purpose. MV also use it for a renaming purpose. Okay, always your location is very important. I don't tell any lot of locations here. Very simple way only I told. Any doubts? Anything related to copy or move? Understanding or not understanding?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
can you show again type 1 argument?
Copy one. Like if you have a data2 directories there, it contains some data. Of course, empty or full data, whatever it is. So it contains something. Okay, when you're copying like a data2 to a particular directory, then it is we can't copy a directory to another directory in a copy command using copy command. But there is a problem to show you that one is if you see data2, and this is data3. This is data2 content, data3 content. In data3 already data2 is there earlier. I done that one, right? But again, if you put a cp space -r data2 data3, again if you do like this, it may throw an error. Why? Because of overwriting kind of stuff. Overwriting will come up. You want to copy the new one and all. It may ask you questions also. Okay, no problem. This is the command. I want to copy a data2 to data3 directory. Okay, data2 entire directory is copied, but it is asking a overwrite. You want to overwrite like that. If you put a yes, then what happens? It keep going. It keep going. If you put a yes, okay, overwrite yes. Yes, only one file is different. Then no problem. Sometimes lot of files are there in both the places. Similar kind of files are there. Then definitely you'll get a problem. So then what you do? Cancel it. Put a control C. Put a control C. for cancellation, Control C. Then use F. Use F force. Don't ask me. Do it. Okay, that is called a F also. You can able to use it. Okay, guys. So it is done copying. I didn't verify, so we will put a ls data 3. See, data 2 is there and data 2. So these are the files. Okay. Earlier that files are not there. Now it is. Okay. So you can do it. So I'm going to stop the recording thing. Okay.